Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Dash wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Dash application from your app drawer. You will then see the first interface in your display. To log into an existing account, pick any one options from the display. You can log in using your Facebook, Google account, or sign in with Apple. You can also choose the login with mobile number option and enter the registered mobile number associated with your wallet. To sign in using an email address, choose the last option that says sign up or login via email. Now make sure that you're inside the sign in tab and then enter your email address followed by your wallet's password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, tap on the forgot link and follow through the password reset process. After typing in your email and password correct, tap on login and then you will be able to log into your Dash wallet in no time. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.